Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session, we are going to talk about West Bengal state counseling process, and we are going to cover most of the points like fee structure, registration process, eligibility criteria, private college details, MD, MS seat distribution, and types of seat in private college. Then we will see the expected cutoff score for this year, stipend and bond, and the penalty amount. Okay, in case you are new to the channel NEET Mentor, you can subscribe our channel, and you can share with your friends as well. We also have paid counseling guidance services, and in order to avail that, you can contact us or send us WhatsApp message on number 9319128677. Under the paid counseling guidance, we will cover West Bengal state counseling process for government and private colleges. We will tell you the details particularly to this state, as well as all India quota 50% government seats, DNB government private hospitals, NB diploma counseling process, state level counseling, and open state private colleges deemed university. So we cover all processes which is relevant to your score, your preferred branches, and within your budget, and based on your eligibility and your state preference. Okay, so starting from now until you get the seat. In the description, you can find several important ebooks. For example, deemed university ebooks, where you can find the fee structure and last year cutoff. Open state ebooks, which has the details about all the open states in India. DNP counseling, it has got two ebooks which is having the details and choice preference for hospitals in DNP. Okay, so now we will start from topic for today, that is West Bengal state counseling. In order to do registration, and who are eligible to do registration, the candidates who have completed their MBBS from West Bengal state colleges or private colleges, they are eligible to participate in state government colleges, and the candidates who have the West Bengal domicile, they are also eligible. Registration need to be done on the website https://wbmcc.nic.in. So you can visit there and you can do the registration. The registration for West Bengal state counseling is to start. So as soon as it starts, we will put the notification on this NEET Mentor channel. That's why subscription of the NEET Mentor channel is very important and useful for all the candidates who are interested for NEET PG 2021. The candidate and their guardians, their parents, and their colleagues also, who are helping them out in the counseling process and supporting it. So you need to pay a small amount of non-refundable registration fee. There is no security deposit. Now let's have a look at MDMS seats availability in state of West Bengal. Total 1552 seats are there. Out of that, 935 are MD and 517 are MS seats. 127 seats are permitted and 808 are recognized in MD. 13 are permitted and 489 are recognized in MS seats. Seat distribution. There are two types of colleges in West Bengal. One is government college and private colleges. In government college, as you know, 50% seats are given to all India quota, where MCC conducts the counseling process at central level, and remaining 50% is for state quota, where West Bengal State Counseling Authority will conduct the process. Private colleges, there is only one private college, that is called KPC Medical College, and it has got three different types of seat: state quota, management quota, and NRI quota. We will talk in detail about the fee structure. So state quota, the tuition fee is 16.5 and is one time payable. The very specific thing about KPC Medical College, the tuition fee is one time payable, or you will get some like duration of some few months to pay the complete tuition fee. In management quota, the tuition fee is 63 lakhs, and for NRI it's around 2 CR. The concert deposit is 25,000, and you have to pay the tuition fee in the first year itself. Let's talk about the expected cutoff score for KPC Medical College. You might be thinking it's just one medical college, then why so important, and why there is need to create a separate video for just one college. KPC is very good medical college. KPC is very good medical college, and the patient flow in this college is very good. You will have so much of learning opportunity. At the same time, the tuition fee is also on lower side. You can see the cutoff for higher clinical like radio, dermat, general medicine, peds, ortho, up to surgery. You can expect to get up to surgery in the rank of 40 to 45,000 as well. For lower clinical like radiotherapy, anesthesia, ophthalm, ENT, up to 50,000 also you can expect to get a seat in KPC medical college. Now the two things, that is stipend in government colleges like ESIC, the stipend is very good, 64, 70, and for other medical government medical college 38, 40, 42. You will get same amount of stipend from KPC medical college, around 35 to 40 per year. There is service bond of 3 years in government medical college and the penalty of 30 lakhs. Okay, and for diploma is 2 years and the penalty amount is 20 lakhs. Course it has discontinuation bond, or you say seat leaving penalty, is 5 lakhs for degree course and 2 years for diploma course. So that's all about West Bengal state. In case your rank is mediocre and you are looking for good medical college in lower tuition fee, around 21 per year, then you can go for West Bengal KPC medical college. And you are from West Bengal, you can participate for West Bengal medical colleges. There is a service quota going to be implemented from this year, and that will impact the cutoff for West Bengal candidates, and those candidates need to have all India quota, an option to get government colleges. Okay, so with this I'm just concluding the video, and we will meet again with some other important topic which will help you in your counseling endeavor for NEET PG 2021. Until then, thanks for watching and have a great day.